What was your main message to the 2,200 delegates that are here at the Global China Summit?
Yeah, so China, this is the 13th. So the first one, I think we have like 100 or 200 people here and 20 companies. This one is 2,000 plus people and 200 or 300 companies. Since I've become in China, it's had enormous growth. I think the main message about China was, you could predict the future 20 years from now much easier than you could predict the next 12 months. Yeah. So you guys spent a lot of time in 12 months, but 20 years from now, they'll house 35% of the Fortune 3,000, and that we should build for that. They've made huge progress in reforms, financial reforms, market reforms, but they're going to have it's going to have tough times, and we should all understand that. That's true for every single country that's gone from an emerging market to a developing country to a developed country.
And what is JP Morgan's presence going to be here in those 20 years? Because you've just gotten out of your joint venture 50-50 partnership with First Capital. Yeah. What's next?
So remember, JP Morgan, we do a lot of business with Chinese companies outside of here, yes, and in Hong Kong, and a lot of multinationals coming here. So we had a very good joint venture, but the hope is that we could do something that's maybe even more important. But my longer term dream is that we own 100% of something, not 51%. I think joint ventures by their nature have sloppy corporate governance, and that it looks like a full-scale global corporate investment bank. We could do equity, debt, bond trading, M&A, capital advice right here in Shanghai and Beijing.
But they don't allow that right now. So what are you hearing in your probably protracted conversations with regulators?
They allow pieces. So that 49% joint venture we have, we can do some. If we get another joint venture, maybe we can do it. We're hoping to get a license to be able to trade corporate bonds and be a lead underwriter. So look, we want reform, but we know they have to go at their own measured pace. It is complicated. And so we respect that, and we tell them what we would like, but hopefully it'll happen. I'm very comforted by the fact that when President Xi and President Trump met, forget all the rhetoric aside in the campaign, they actually came up with this comprehensive economic dialogue, a continuation of what they did before. They announced that they want a small trade deal of 10 items, but they're going to have another one after 100 days, and then maybe one after a year. So that shows dialogue, conversation, ongoing dialogue, which I think is the way it should be done. Sit down, talk about the issues you have. There are serious issues on both sides, and then do something intelligent about it.